Students, let's start the chapter Health Hazards of Modernization. In the history of our planet Earth, there had been a period when it had very small population and man did not have such developed technology as we have today. With the multiple increase in population and with the rapid increases in industrialization and deforestation, the waste materials have increased in amount as well as in kinds, resulting in over deterioration of the environment, leading to ecological crisis. The undesirable change in physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of our air, soil, and water is going to do a great harm to human life or that of other desirable species. In fact, the world is peppered with examples of what poor education or unneighborly attitudes can do to the planet that must feed the cloth us all. Untold number of people die prematurely as a direct result of air, water, and soil pollutions worldwide. Even in nations blessed with wealth and wide spaces, millions more suffer needless erosion of their health and livelihood. We all share in these costs through higher prices, higher taxes, higher stress, and often higher death rates. As a matter of fact, the polluted environment is a direct result of advanced technology and man's zeal to progress. To have greater convenience and to acquire sophistication, nothing has underlined the common dilemma mankind so clearly as the present environment crisis, which threatens the life support system of all living things. The expanding world economy, fueled by the increase in numbers and material affluence, has forced men to intervene more and more with the natural system. Industrialization has already caused the disappearance of much of vegetation and trees, which are a major sources of oxygen. With the environment being bereft of trees, the places where one used to see beautiful birds are now without them. Birds depend on the environment for their protection. So, students, do you know for what is this chapter written about? Actually, this chapter is about the threat coming towards the life on earth due to modernization. Got it? In history of earth, there was also a time when the population was very less, and the people also don't have much techniques to access resources. But about the modernization, the extensive use of technology has made the earth dangerous for life survival because of the pollution. Pollution has also brought a wide change in physical, chemical, and biological appearance of resources. The condition is so worst that even the newborn babies who are weak or unable to survive on the earth. Due to the fast speed of developing technology to get luxurious life, human has made a lot of damage to the environment. Due to the excessive requirement of luxurious life, the development of technology is also geared up. Okay? Trees and forests, which are the main source of oxygen, are being cut for industrialization. As a result, a number of trees, animals, birds have extinct. These actions of people which are unregulated and uncontrollable are decaying the environment. Okay. So next, man is himself responsible for his injurious play with nature. First, his physical surroundings, abiotic. Next, living organism, biotic. Next, meteorological factors, climate factors. So, first, what do you mean by abiotic? In ecology and biology, abiotic components are non-living chemical and physical factors in the environment which affect ecosystems. Examples of abiotic factors are temperature, air, currents, and minerals. Biotic. What do you mean by biotic? Biotic describes a living components of an ecosystem, for example, organisms such as plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. What do you mean by climate factor? Micrological factor is climate factor. The climate of any particular place is influenced by a host of interacting factors. These included latitude, elevation, nearby water, ocean currents, topography, vegetation, and prevailing winds. The global climate system and any changes that occur within it also influence local climate. Man did not even spare his own the historical, cultural, political, moral, economic, and aesthetic aspects of human life, which affect the behavior of human beings. It can also be termed as significant pollutant. These uncontrolled activities of human beings are narrowing the healthy environment more and more. It means despite the rights of his own historical, cultural, political, moral, economic, and aesthetic human life, which led to the changes of behavior in human being. Okay class? Thank you.